Hey guys, we got a 2014 Infiniti Q50, black on black, sexy car. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then Y's into a single, then Y's back out, then two DYNOMAX race bullets right there and right there. There'll be a link in the description. Here's the part number, 24 215s. And then we did a rear muffler delete also. It comes usually with a huge muffler on it. Took it off and put some carbon fiber tips, black. There'll be a link in the description for them. Also, look at that, really beautiful to match the wing and everything else that's carbon fiber, okay? There's the muffler that was on it. There's the resonators that were on it. As you guys can see, it's a massive muffler that we just cut off right there. There's the two bullet resonators we just cut off too, and replace them with DYNOMAX race bullets. So there'll be a link in the description for everything, guys. And make sure you guys, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. It's the birthday girl too. That's her dad giving her a birthday gift. So he hooked her up. That's your car?
It's my car.
There it is. She likes it. You like it? Better in person than the videos, right? How are you? Beautiful. Here's some decimals. 108. Right at 108. Go ahead and back it up. And here's our Instagram, guys, if you guys want to follow it. Tell our exhaust addict sent you. That's very nice. We hooked her up with some merch and stickers because it's her birthday. All right, we'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Enjoy, guys. Wish her a happy birthday, guys, please.